A very good day to my lecturer. I'm Leo Zhenping. My lecture number is S46249. Now I'm going to present about my individual assignment. So based on instruction, now I'm going to download my file from the event Belajaran. So for question number, now I answer question number 1, which is establish the relationship between all related tables. So I will show add all the table. Before I do the relationship, I will add a primary key for the employees. I will add this as a primary key so I can do the relationship with the other table. So for the relationship, it will now come like this. So this is all the relation about. So for question 2, now I'm going to list a single order of a customer whose credit limit is less than 40,000 US dollar. So it's about all about customers. So I will only use customer table, which is I need to know their name and the credit limit, which is less than 40,000. Sorry, and in the ascending order also. So this is all the company, which is credit limit less than 40,000 US dollar and is in the ascending order. Okay. So for the third question is list all the product carrying chocolate in their name. So it's the same way I will create a new query which is only involve inventory, which is I need to know their name only, which is contact chocolate. So this is the answer. But however, you can see that there's some of the chocolate have the repeated name. So example, raspberry, the first line, that line, mascara, so repeat. This is due to one thing, because their company have caffeinated the product. If I open the cafeteria field, you will see that the raspberry, one of raspberry is not caffeinated, and one is caffeinated. So that's why they are the same product name is repeated 2 times. So for question 4, what are the 3 employees hired by the company? Which is do the same thing, which is create a career with only involve employees. And we need to know the employee name, first name, and his last name. And we need to know the hire time, which is going to ascending order, so we will know who is the first be hired. So the question is answer for top 3 only, so I will also show my result in 3 only. So it's Steven Bremer, Sharon Stoney, and Alexander Morrison. So for question 4, who is the top 3 customer in 2050 based on sales? So in this question, it will involve 3 keyword table, which I will show. So you need to know the customer name, you need to know when is the sale is occur, and you need to know how is the total sale. So for the first one, exactly you need to know the customer name first. And the second one, you need to know when you need to know the sales is make sure it's occur in 2015. So I will view my formula, which is I need to know the year, which is based on invoice date. So the expert one is the name of one of my row, so I will just put in the year. So in order to show only for 2050, so I will rather say I will put another formula, which is like, which is 2050 only. Another is a total sale, which is also we need to do by ourselves, which is total sales is based on quantity times unit price. So since we need to know, so this is only the one sales for the one invoice, so in order to know the total, we need to open a sort. We need to open the total column, which is the help to sum out all. And also to know the top sale, we need to group by the descending order. So these all the sales that met for the customer who is top sales in 2015. It is J&J Snack Foods Corporation, Falcon International Incorporation, and Sherwood Packaging Corporation. So, but for the question you also asked for 3, so I will also only show the top 3 only. Question 5. Okay. The last question is also more similar question 5, but you need to know who is the top 3 employees which is based in the sales mode in 2040. So actually the solution is also similar to question 5, but now the table now involves employees, sales, and sales item. So for employee, we need to know his first name and his last name. And for the year, which we are using the same formula, so I will go to copy. The same formula for my question 5, which is also, however, but since this question asks for 2040, so I will be using the formula like 2040 to know the top 3 employee. And for the total sale also, I will using the same formula. So I will just also copy the formula from here. And also in order to see, and also show the total sum. And I will show in descending, so we know the top sales. So the top sale is Barbara Watterson, David Cole, and Philip Kane. So the question is also asked for the top 3, so I will also show my top 3 result only. So this is all about the answer. Thank you very much.